In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize by amount display on Axiom. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you have to create an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best meme coin trading platforms that has a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing Twitter tracker, wallet tracker. They also have a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, set your own presets and your own fees, etc. Again, link down below, make sure you check it out. So to customize the buy amount display, by this I mean this thing over here. So if I just open up a random token, you can see the buy amount display is this button over here, and if you want to customize it, click on this new button which says buy amount display settings. And here you can change if you only want to show the token amounts, if you also want to show the supply percentage, and if you also want to show the sol amount. So you can customize this however you want, and then whenever you exit that and basically type in the amount, you'll be able to see your customized button down here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.